Welcome to our channel. Setting up direct deposit ensures your paycheck arrives automatically in your bank account each payday without delay. Here's the complete process. Step 1. Obtain direct deposit information from your bank. You'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. Find these on a check or in your online banking portal. Step 2. Contact your employer's HR or payroll department to request direct deposit enrollment. They may have a specific form to complete or an online portal for setup. Step 3. Complete the direct deposit authorization form with your banking information. Some employers require a voided check as verification, while others accept the information directly. Step 4. Specify the deposit amount or percentage if your employer allows split deposits. You might direct a portion to checking for expenses and another portion to savings. Step 5. Submit your enrollment form according to your employer's process. This might be through an HR portal, email, or physical document submission to the payroll department. Step 6. Ask about the timing of your first direct deposit. Many employers require 1 or 2 pay cycles before direct deposit activates, so you may still receive a paper check initially. Step 7. Verify the first direct deposit arrives correctly in your account on payday. Check that the amount is correct and that any split deposits went to the right accounts. Step 8. Notify your employer immediately if you change banks or accounts. Provide updated information promptly to avoid payment delays or misdirected funds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.